So you've grown your pet on a triptych soy agar slant, and today we want to inoculate a plate or swab a plate, and then we want to test your pet for its sensitivity to polymyxin B as well as a disinfectant of choice. Okay, so we're going to demonstrate that procedure for you. Alright, first thing, we want to label our plate. Then we want to open our sterile swab. Here's our TSA slant. You're going to take up a lot of bacteria from the slant, roll the swab around so you have a good source of bacteria. Now, it's important to make a good lawn over the entire surface. So I'm going to take off this lid. I'm going to rotate this plate so we have a good, thorough lawn of bacteria when this grows up. All right? You have sterile forceps, plastic sterile forceps, but since these are not sterile, they need to be sterilized. Dip it in the alcohol, let the alcohol burn off, then you're sterile. So, polymyxin B disc. Alright. We're going to set these up as a triangle. Polymyxin B. Now, there's going to be a control disc. So you have a disc that, just a sterile disc. This will be our control. Control disc. Now, you're going to test a disinfectant of your choice. I'm going to test Crystal Violet, Jensen Violet, as my disinfectant of choice, so you can see it. We take this, touch it to the surface. So the disc is saturated by capillarity and not dripping wet. This is our third disc. So let's be clear. While I took the disc from a sterile bottle, your discs are located in separate packages. You have a polymyxin B package and a package with 2 sterile discs for use. So a quick little messy sketch by the professor. After you incubate, probably 2 days will be adequate. You look at the 3 discs and look at the zones of inhibition around each disc. Traditionally, we measure the diameter of the zone of inhibition in millimeters. So here's the polymyxin B, here's the disinfectant, and hopefully the control disc, there's no effect because we didn't put anything onto this. So control, disinfectant, polymyxin B, zones of inhibition.